Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing my wheels.
What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Emmy back here with another video. Today, Emmy got her Gramlights in. A little sneak peek back there. What are the specs?
They're 15 by 8 plus 28, I think, maybe. I don't know. It says on the box.
So pretty good Miata specs. 15s over 16s. Emmy's desired look. Like I said earlier, she had ordered the kit and the wheels at the same time. The wheels actually got here like a week ago, but we didn't have time to film a video on it. Today, we're gonna be unboxing them and test fitting them on the Miata. I think she plans to get spacers in the future, but for today, we'll get a great idea of what they're gonna look like on the car. These wheels were actually packaged really nice, so shout out to whoever you got them from. Remember?
JP USA. That's the only website I found that had them for a reasonable price. So if you're a Miata, Honda, whoever owner looking for some cool Gramlights or really like anything, they had a good selection of wheels for like a decent price.
Hell yeah.
This isn't sponsored, by the way.
No, not at all.
They came in a
wheels.
Week.
Yeah, that's another great thing. They came in a week. Good price, real wheels, all of that. Anyways, Emmy, you mind picking this up so I can show them what the face looks like? Oh, don't drop it. Oh, don't drop it. That is absolutely gorgeous. What are they, 6-spoke? Oh yeah, 6-spoke raise. Dude, she's balling. She's stepping right now. Big baller. All right, enough talking. We're gonna unbox the other two, get the Miata in the air, and show you guys what this is gonna look like behind the scenes of the Instagram picture. Yeah, it's gonna look good so far. All right, I'm gonna let her finish doing this. The next clip you guys are gonna see, the car will be in the air. All right, just like I promised, car is in the air. It is the year 2075. The Instagram picture has been taken and we are ready to test fit. You guys know, I don't know, if you have never test fitted wheels before, since they're brand new wheels and especially without tires, we're gonna get some wood or basically anything soft-ish you can find to put under the wheels so they don't touch the ground and get curb rashed. These are tiny little wheels, like I can just like curl these things.
Yeah, I know, they're not uncomfortable at all.
Show you guys the front so far. I'm really digging the white, me personally. I miss my white wheels so much on the Skyline. By the way, guys, the Skyline got new wheels. I'm not letting you see them till they're dialed in. This one is Miata, but keep that in the back of your mind. Ooh! Let's get the back lugs on and then we'll drop this thing. So unfortunately, I don't think the tire iron is gonna fit, or the lugs are a little too big. They go in the wheel just fine, but I don't want to, you know, scratch up the inside of the wheel with the giant tire iron. But are those tight enough? You ready to lower it down?
Yeah.
How excited are you right now? How long have you waited to open these wheels and put them on?
I'm really excited, and I think like they look really good.
Oh yeah, Gramlights are just a timeless style, and I would 1000% get a set for the Skyline. We shall see. All right, let's get this thing on the ground. All right, let's drop this thing. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my god, Emmy, you gotta get tires. You gotta order them right now. All right, so these are the stronger specs available, right? There was like a plus 40, plus 38 or something.
I think it was like 30 something.
And then the 28s, I think plus 28. Either way, these are just like the little bit more aggressive offset. This is so close to perfect without the spacers. And then I think she's gonna get a 25 and a 10 to add just a little bit of poke to the front. So that is gonna be awesome. So that's how the front looks. Let's walk around the back. All right, and then coming around the back. Shoo! The back looks really freaking good. Yeah, it's like right on the fender. I think do you remember what spacers you wanted to get?
I think we narrowed it down like 25mm would be best. I think it was 25 for the kit and everything.
So that's gonna be gorgeous. All right, so not only are we gonna have this thing put together, the kit's gonna get here sooner or later, and then she's gonna have it painted sooner or later. Ryan, you want to tell us what you did today? Not the brawl, not the worksite brawl, but
put a down payment or a deposit with my importer. Start looking for a Laurel.
Let's go, baby. So we are gonna have a Laurel also added to the driveway at some point. Yes. Next weekend, literally like 6 days from now, 5 days from now, I'm going to pick up my shitbox Miata. which is gonna just stay on the street for a while until I get it running. But we're gonna be packed. We're gonna be packed in this thing. I'll show you guys real quick. I'll give you a little sneaky peek. Oh, you see lips? These are 18s. I'm not gonna not showing you guys yet, but like, ooh, I'm gonna swap the fronts and the rears like I did with the SSRs, and we're gonna have some nice cement, lower it, dial it in, all that stuff later this week. All right, guys. Well, I don't want to make this video too long. 20 minutes of Fitz walking around, looking at these stationary wheels and car. This is where we're gonna wrap it up. Just a good little sneak peek of the Gramlights. Again, I wish my neon pink ones worked out on the Skyline like a year ago, but it's all good. I will be living vicariously now through Emmy and her Gramlights. And like I said, keep an eye out for one of the future videos, test fitting, dialing in the fitment on the Skyline's new wheels. But anyways, guys, this has been Fitz Miller, Emmy, and Ryan, back here with another video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.